Welcome to JMC News. I am Milind Robin. In every discussion about rights, we proudly say, I have the right to speak, I have the right to vote, I have the right to education. But have you ever wondered, what about our duties? Today we learn about a part of Constitution that many ignore, yet every citizen must know the fundamental duties. Fundamental duties are a set of 11 responsibilities listed in the Article 51A of the Indian Constitution. They tell us how we, as citizens, must behave to protect our nation, respect our heritage, and uphold values of democracy. Just as rights empower us, duties shape us into responsible citizens. The duties were not part of the original constitution. They were added later in 1976 during the 42nd Constitutional Amendment. The idea came from the belief that a democracy cannot survive only on rights. It needs citizens who participate, protect, and preserve. The 11 fundamental duties are respect the Constitution, national flag, and national anthem, cherish the ideals of freedom fighters, protect India's unity and integrity, defend the country, and be ready to serve when required, promote harmony beyond religion, language, caste, or region, value and preserve our rich cultural heritage, protect the environment, forest, rivers, lakes, wildlife, develop scientific temper and human values, safeguard public property and avoid violence, strive for excellence in all fields, provide opportunities for education to children between 6 and 14 years. These duties talk about something simple but powerful, that patriotism is not a slogan, it is action. In a world of social media, opinions and instant reactions, duties remind us that citizen is not just about demanding rights, it is about contributing. They tell us to protect nature when we see littering, respect national symbols, avoid damaging public property, and reject hate or discrimination. If each person follows even half these duties, many natural problems, pollution, violence, intolerance will reduce without new laws. Rights makes us powerful. Duties make us responsible. The Constitution gives us both, not to burden us, but to guide us. So the next time we talk about our rights, let's also remember what we owe to this nation. That's all for today from us. For Daily News Update, stay tuned with JMC. Jai Hind.